What's up guys, Aaron here, back with another video. In today's video we're going to be unboxing and taking a look at the best case for the Apple iPad mini 6 from Caseborne and Armadillo Tech, so stick around. Welcome back and let's get straight into the video. In terms of the unboxing, we get a nice presentation from Caseborne, and removing the case from the box for the very first time, I have to say that I like the rugged look of the case, and it looks like it's going to offer some great protection. As you can see, it is a two-part style case. We do have a built-in kickstand as well as a built-in screen protector. Taking a closer look at the interior portion of the case, you can see we have this hexagon style interior padding. This padding is extremely soft, and we also get a little bit of Armadillo Tech branding. Now here's a closer look at that kickstand, which I must say appears to be really sturdy. Next we'll go ahead and remove the plastic that's on the built-in screen protector. And without further delay, let's go ahead and install the iPad mini 6 into the case by first installing it into the front portion of the case that houses the built-in screen protector. Then we'll install the rear portion of the case. Now one of the best features of this case is the built-in kickstand, which we will take a closer look at here in a second. We'll go ahead and make our way around the entire case, making sure that it's properly snapped together. Once we've done so, I'll go ahead and give it a quick wipe down. As you can see, it does look very nice. Taking a closer look at the top part of the case, our volume up and down buttons are covered. We have cutouts for both speaker grills as well as our microphone and power sleep wake button. The case also features an Apple Pencil slot that allows charging when the pencil is housed. And on the bottom we have a protective flap covering our USB Type-C charging port. And we also get two cutouts for both speaker grills. And on the back is a cutout for our camera, microphone, and flash. I've used this case on my iPad mini 6 for about a week or a week and a half now, and I have to say that I'm extremely impressed with the durability. I'm impressed with how good the built-in kickstand works. I'm able to type and write on the screen using the Apple Pencil with the kickstand deployed. And I have to say that I highly recommend this case to everyone out there. Now this case hasn't officially been released yet. However, when it is released, I will have the link to the best price option in the video description below. I'd like to thank you guys for watching. As I mentioned earlier, my name is Aaron, and I'll see you guys on the next one.